Hello guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can embed Lovable AI web app on Shopify. This is going to be a very quick and easy tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on online store inside your Shopify dashboard. After that, guys, you want to click on customize here. Okay, so after, guys, you click on customize, it's going to take you guys to your theme editor. Very simple, like in the template. You just need to click on add section, and then you want to scroll down and find here custom liquid, as you can see. So after, guys, you find the custom liquid. As you can see, we have added custom liquid here. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to click on it. Now after you click on it here, you just need to enter the HTML code here. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to paste it here, as you can see, and then after that I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so this is the code here, and I have embedded into my Shopify store here. Now, by the way, if you have, like, for example, you can always just check, like, if you want to embed anything here, any project, you can use the same code. I'm going to add this code, the whole code here in the description, or I'm going to add it in the description. Now, as you can see, you just need to change this HTML code here till the .com here. You can change it to whatever. Now I'm going to change it. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to click on publish website address. It says here. Okay, so let me check here. I'm going to click on publish. So, and I'm going to take one project here from Lovable, and then I'm going to embed it into my Shopify. Okay, this is exactly the link. Okay, this is the link. Any project here has a link. You just need to click on it and you will be able to find it here. Okay, so this is the link. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to replace this. Sorry, I'm going to, okay, yeah, I'm going to replace this link to this, and I'm going to click on save. As you can see, I have successfully embedded the web, as you can see, the web app, as you can see here. Now you can do the same thing. You just need to go to Lovable, find the project, then click on the project so that you can find the link. Okay, just click here, and then you will be able to find the link, then copy it, and then paste it on your Shopify. You can also do this. Just click here on the project here, and then click on it, and then click on git embed code, and then copy the whole code here. Click on copy HTML code, and then go back and then paste the whole code here, and then click on save. And after that, you just need to copy this. I'm going to do that right now. Click on publish, click on publish here, publish, and then after you click on that, just click on the link here, website address, click on it. It's going to take you guys here. Copy the link and go back to your own Shopify. Like I said, just change this one that starts with the https till the .com, and then replace it. Ctrl V, replace it with new link, this, and as you can see, that's all you need to do, guys. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial, guys, helped you. You can also change the place. You can just press and hold on Team Liquid, and you can drag it all the way to the up here, and then you can paste it in the top if you want to place it in the top. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial, guys, helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I try to reply to everyone, so just let me know, guys, in the comments, and yeah, see you guys next tutorial.